everyone. Welcome back to our channel, English with Emily and George.
Hi, everyone. We are back with another amazing English lesson.
Today, we are going to solve a very common English problem.
Many learners confuse three simple words.
These words are everywhere in daily conversations.
They are
See, look, and watch.
sometimes people say, I see TV every day.
Or look a movie.
But these sentences are not correct.
Today, we will learn the difference in a simple and fun way.
So stay with us until the end.
Let's begin.
First, let's talk about see.
See means to notice something with your eyes. You do not always choose to see.
Sometimes it happens naturally.
For example, I see a cat.
This means my eyes noticed the cat,
The cat was there.
and my eyes received that information.
Another example, I saw my friend yesterday.
Maybe you were walking.
You were not searching for your friend, but suddenly you saw him. So remember, see is equal to notice something. Now let's learn look. Look means you direct your eyes towards something. You make a choice. You decide to focus. Example, look at the moon. I want you to move your eyes toward the moon. I am asking you to focus. Another example, look at this photo. I want your attention on the photo. So we use look. Remember, look is equal to focus your eyes. Now the third word is watch. Watch means to look at something for some time. Usually something is moving or changing. Example, I watch TV. TV programs have action. People move. Stories continue. So we watch them. Another example, I watch a football match. The players run. The game changes. That is why we say watch. Remember, watch equals follow movement. Now let's imagine a normal day. You are walking outside. Suddenly you see a beautiful car. You say, I see a beautiful car. Then you stop and focus on the car. You say, I look at the car. Then the car starts moving. You follow it with your eyes. You say, I watch the car. Now you can see the difference. Let's test your understanding.
I will give examples.
You choose the correct word.
Number 1, I dash a bird in the sky
The answer is see.
because the bird is noticed.
Number 2, dash at the board, please.
The answer is look.
Because someone needs to focus.
Number 3, I dash a movie last night
The answer is watch.
because a movie continues over time.
Now let's talk about mistakes.
Mistake number 1, I see TV every evening.
Wrong.
The correct sentence is I watch TV every evening.
Because TV has action.
Mistake number 2, I look a movie.
Wrong.
Say, I watch a movie.
Because movies move and continue.
Mistake number 3, I watch a picture. Usually wrong. Say, I look at a picture.
Because pictures do not move. Here is a simple trick. Imagine your eyes are a camera. When the camera notices something, it is see. When the camera points somewhere, it is look. When the camera follows action, it is watch. See, look, watch. Easy to remember. Let's make some sentences.
I see a rainbow.
I look at a rainbow.
I watch a video about rainbows.
All three are correct.
But they have different meanings.
English becomes easy when you understand small differences.
So everyone, today we learned see, look, and watch.
Now you know when to use each word.
No more confusion.
If you enjoyed this lesson,
Please like this video.
share it with your friends and family.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
English with Emily and George.
Click the subscribe button for more easy English lessons.
We bring you simple explanations and fun learning videos.
Thank you for watching.
Keep practicing.
See you in the next video.
Bye!
Bye everyone!